what time it is. Anyway, this is incredible the way this is coming down. It's just about dusk, so it must be about 4:30ish. Wow, check this out. Just unbelievable. This is Portland on December 21st. Snow everywhere. And it's coming down. Isn't it, ducks? Isn't it, boys? Isn't it, boys, huh? Is it coming down? It sure is. Where's Paxo? Prozac? What are you doing, huh? What are you guys doing? What are my boys doing, huh? What are my boys doing? Yes, check this out. Look at this snow. God, that's just pure white. And that's looking down Ainsworth. About 3 blocks from my house. And then looking down the side street here. Boy, nobody's moving. Nobody's going anywhere. I was just up at the store and there were not as many people as I would have expected. Just amazing.